Now dear student, to run the Python on the mobile you need app, and this is the app which you have to install from the Play Store. Okay, then after this click on this one to open. It provides us two modes. The first one is the interactive mode with the help of console, and script mode with the help of editor. Okay, now one by one we will handle it. First, console. Suppose that this is a console mode or the interactive mode. In this, what happened, as soon as you give anything, it will immediately show the result to us. Like if I am writing like this, suppose this one, and I am placing enter, it is giving me the output. So this is the role of the interactive mode. As soon as you will enter any statement, it will show you the result of that statement. Again, if you want to type anything, again it will do the same thing. Like if I am writing this one here, now this time a string type of data. Earlier it was a numerical data. Now it is printing RLB. Okay, at the same time immediately it will show us a result. Now to close this one you have to say no. Okay, like this. Now for the editor mode, you will get a file, open a file. Now to open a new file you have to go on blank, and this is a new file. You have to type anything like this. Suppose that if I want to add two numbers, so takes two number first like this, and then I am printing the data. I can do it directly also, but here I am taking the help of the storing element A and B, like this. When I will press enter, nothing will happen in this case. The control will come on the next line. As you can see, the line numbers are coming here. That means you can write a multiple statement here at a time, and you can get the output of all the statements all together. Like I am giving you here both the statement. In the interactive mode we are giving one by one. Here we are giving both the print statement together, and you will see that it will give the output all together. Now after writing your code, when you have done, you have to go to finish it. To finish we have to save it. It is asking to save. Given file name here, suppose that I am giving a file name q1.py, and then now you can see that the file name is displaying over here. So file name must exist before running the code. Now after this you have to run a code. To run a code, this symbol we have to use the triangle. Now see the output. The first output we are getting 8, and the second output is RLB. So that's how you can do it, and it will help you to run your codes on the mobile also. And after that, to exit the application, again no, you have to press go back and then close your window.